Holy moly, DIY hovercraft? So we need to test it. Butch already crafted this. Time to test it. Okay, let's go in that direction. Our beautiful construction from the leaf blowers. Let's put like so. Wow, nice. Let me sit on it. We're gonna sit like so. And this thing's supposed to lift me up. And that leaf blower should push me. So, are you ready, guys? Yeah?
Go for it.
Okay, let's do it. Wow. I'm nervous actually. Let's do it. I think this leaf blower too weak for us. Okay, thank you, Butch. So. Okay, I hope it will push me much better than previous leaf blower. Extinguisher is empty, but it actually works.
Not bad.
So leave us your comments what we're gonna try next video. Maybe we're gonna use 3 of them to push me. Maybe more.